Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in. As we can see guys, the price of Bitcoin does looks like it is breaking out, does looks like it is going to invalidate the bearish scenario which was lining up parallelly, and now it does looks like following this falling wedge pattern and even this bump and run reversal pattern. So has the price of Bitcoin turned finally bullish, or is it going to turn out into a fake out? What to expect next for Bitcoin? Watch this video till the end and you will get the answer. And before I dive into the content, please guys, destroy the like button as well. And to those individuals who are still unaware about the bonuses which are provided for our community members, please check the video description, because Bybit has just started this new campaign, 30,000 deposit bonus campaign, and along with that we are also giving away 1,000 USDT airdrop. Yes guys, 1,000 USDT airdrop giveaway is also included here, so please check the video description and sign up using this referral link, and after your initial deposit you will be eligible to claim the bonuses and also the airdrop. So let's start this by looking at the price action in a daily time frame and looking at this descending broadening wedge. According to this descending broadening wedge, you can see very clearly guys, the price of Bitcoin came back to test the previous temporary resistance line before turning bullish. Yes, this descending broadening wedge is a bullish continuation pattern, but even though we are clearly looking bullish, I still want you guys to wait until we close proper support over 28,000 before looking for any long opportunities like this. Yes guys, as long as the price remains below 28,000, please do not get overexcited. I will also be more than happy to see price breaking out of this 28,000, right, and starting a new impulsive movement. But since we are still below this 28,000, we have to be careful. Even though this is turning as a bullish continuation pattern, this might fake out if we fail to break the 28,000 resistance line. I mean, if we look at the price structure parallelly here in a 4-hour time frame, we can see this was considered bearish. I mean, price breaking out from this ascending channel, right? But what did it re-entered inside it. Yes guys, the same line which previously acted as support was expected to act as a resistance around 27,600 27,500 range, but in our case the price is clearly above it. So even though this trend does looks bullish, please let us wait until we close the daily candle above 28,000 properly before looking for any opportunities, because what could happen at the end if we fail to break out of this 28,000, fail to find support inside the ascending channel? It could be turning out as a fake out, right? It could be turning out as a fake out, this candle faking out completely and then starting with another downward movement. I mean, liquidating the over average shorts and then starting with the new downtrend. Not just only this guys, even if you look at this price structure here using the falling wedge pattern, we were talking about this falling wedge pattern since couple of weeks. I even showed you there might be range bound, there might be retest around some key line before the price starts choosing an actual trend duration. And now if you look at this carefully, it does looks like the time has come for price to decide the actual trend duration. Yes guys, if we manage to break the 28,000 resistance and flip that into proper support, then this scenario will line up parallelly, which is looked as a bullish continuation pattern, a falling wedge pattern, a bullish continuation pattern, and parallelly we are also forming this bump and run reversal pattern. Yes guys, this is another bullish continuation pattern which is playing out right now for Bitcoin, because we have managed to break the previous temporary resistance line, and after this breakout, after some shakeout, the price is finally turning bullish again. So if this is also going to be another bullish continuation pattern for Bitcoin, what we need to do first, we need to overcome the resistance which you have around 28,000, and by doing that, even this bump and run reversal pattern is going to play out for Bitcoin. And now let me show you the obstacles for Bitcoin. Yes guys, these weekly moving averages are definitely considered as one of the most important line of resistance, because you can see if we can close the weekly, for better confirmation, weekly candle, yes, if we can close the weekly above this moving averages, the 30 weekly moving average, 200 weekly moving average, then we know this is going to trigger another tsunami for Bitcoin, which will break here to the upside. Yes, finding proper support over 28,000 will be a very bullish scenario for Bitcoin for the coming days, and that could result in another bullish continuation pattern around 30,000 to 33,000, in between that range, before deciding another trend duration after that. And now let me show you with another very interesting example our leading indicator why 28,000 right now is considered as one of the most important resistance line. I just showed you this weekly moving averages is acting as a resistance around 28,000. Now you will also see that the monthly arrow line, these horizontal green dots, are our first monthly target line, which is going to be acting as a resistance because it's above the price. So that means these green dots here, which sits around $27,999, or let's say 28,000, is also considered as line of resistance according to the CPI indicator. So this is exactly where we came. This is exactly where we got rejected. So if the price of Bitcoin manages to break out of this 28,000, then parallelly we will be breaking out from this very bullish pattern, which could bring us above 30,000 range. Yes guys, if we look at the price structure, once we break this 28,000 resistance or this monthly arrow line, then parallelly this right angle descending broadening wedge scenario will line up, because breaking out from this upper trend line around 28,000 will also break out from this right angle descending broadening wedge for Bitcoin. Yes guys, breaking out of this upper trend line, breaking out from this 28,000 resistance will lead to another bullish continuation pattern, which could easily bring us around 30,000, and then we are going to decide what's next. But until then, once we flip this 28,000, it is definitely considered as a very bullish scenario for Bitcoin. So what I want you guys to do is to closely monitor the price around 28,000. This resistance line, R1 line, resistance from this weekly moving average. Once this line gets broken, then we are expecting the price of Bitcoin for the coming days to turn very bullish. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please guys do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. And one more time guys, Bybit 30,000 deposit bonus campaign has just started, and along with that 1,000 USDT airdrop giveaway. So if you want to take part in this competition, if you want to claim free bonuses after initial deposit, please sign up using this link, which is provided in the description down below. So guys, by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.